In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files via Gmail. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Click the Compose button in the top left corner to open a new message window. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. Select a file larger than 25 megabytes from your computer and click Open. If your file exceeds Gmail's 25 megabyte limit, a prompt will appear letting you know the file will be uploaded to Google Drive instead. Click OK. Got it. Wait for the file to finish uploading to Google Drive. The upload time will depend on the size of your file and your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject line, and type your message in the email body. Click the blue Send button. Before the email is delivered, a sharing settings window may appear. Here you can choose how the recipient can access the file. You can select Share with people and choose whether they are viewer, commenter, or editor, or select anyone with the link and choose the appropriate permission level. After choosing the correct access level, click Send again to finalize the message and share the Google Drive link. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!